Hey guys, let's talk about using animations in PowerPoint. Okay, we have a slide right here. We have some text, we have a heading, we have a title, we have an image, all right? Now, let's see what I have done with this. Goodness gracious, that is just too much. You know, the first thing about using animation in PowerPoint, if you're going to give a presentation, maybe make a screencast, less is more. You want to use animation, but use it sparingly and maybe only a few of the options, okay? So let's take this and make it look more like this. Okay? So we're going to leave the title alone. We don't want to animate that. Maybe if we're going to animate the heading, we want to do something real simple. So first of all, make sure you're in your animation tab at the top. And then here we have options. Okay. For anything text, I would probably use only fade or wipe. But that's just me. Fade and wipe gives it a little animation, but it's not over the top to be distracting. All right. So for the heading here, I'm just going to do a fade. I'm going to say maybe with previous, make it 1 second long. So we have options here. If you want it to occur when you click here, with previous, when the slide comes on, the animation will start, or after previous. Over here we have the duration of the animation, and if you want a delay. Now, once you start animating, you want to make sure we're here and open up your animation pane, and we can see everything right here, okay? Okay, so we have our heading animated. Next, let's do our text. Here, again, I would do a fade or maybe a wipe. Okay, so we have a wipe, effect options. I like to do text from left to right because that's the way we read. And here I have 3 bullet points, and I'm going to do it by paragraph instead of all at once. Notice here there's a little mouse. That means I would have to click it if I want to make the animation begin. So instead, I'm going to do it after previous, and I'm going to make it a little bit longer, maybe 1.5 seconds, maybe 2 seconds. Okay, and it's going to come after. Now this is all ordered, so this will be first, second. Okay, you can use these arrows here to reorder. You can use this to get a little preview, or you can click the little star for a preview. Okay. Here's an image. This image doesn't do much for the slide, but I just threw it in there. Again, I'm not going to use, you know, a crazy bounce or a swivel. I would just do a fade or a zoom. In the previous example, we saw a zoom. We have 2 options here: object center and slide center. It doesn't really matter. On click, no. Let's do it after previous, or maybe with previous. Make it 1 second. Okay. All right, there we go. Very simple, very simple, very subtle, but it's not going to distract the viewer. Okay, so there we go.